Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send money from PayPal to your Wise account in 2025. Now, PayPal doesn't allow direct transfers to Wise, but there is simple workaround to move your funds safely using your linked bank account here. So let's go through how you can do it correctly without losing any money to unnecessary fees. So first of all, you need to come here on paypal.com. Then you need to log in into your PayPal account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you will see the available balance here in your account. So we will first transfer the balance to your linked bank account since PayPal doesn't support sending money straight to Wise. So here you just have to simply first of all add a bank account with it. So click on the option of add bank account, then click on the option of link a debit card and credit card and link a bank account. After that, you just have to provide your bank account details and add a bank account of yours. Then you just have to transfer the money that you see here on your PayPal account to your bank account which you have added over here. Now, PayPal is going to take around 1 to 3 business days in order to get the money in your bank account. So you just have to make sure that you wait until that time. Afterwards, you just have to come here on wise.com. Then you just have to log in into your account. Now here inside your account, you will see multi-currency balances like we have USDT, then we have EUR, INR, etc. So you are going to see the option of add balance. So you can select the option of add balance, select the payment method and select the option of bank transfer. After that, Wise will going to show you the bank account details that you have selected. For example, if you are transferring in USD, you will see Wise's US bank details under your name. You can also just simply enter the amount, select the bank transfer, then click on the option of adding money. So once you had selected the option of adding money, after selecting your bank account, you will get the money in your Wise account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.